This property offers excellent value for money. Good place for parking and shopping centers not too far away make it ideal. Experience comfort and convenience at Premiere Classe Compiegne, Jaux. Discover a delightful stay at the Premiere Classe Compiegne, Jaux, located in the charming town of Jaux, France. With its convenient location and excellent amenities, this hotel offers a comfortable and hassle-free experience for both business and leisure travelers. Check-in at the Premiere Classe Compiegne, Jaux begins at 2 p.m., allowing you ample time to settle in and start exploring the beautiful surroundings. The hotel boasts 70 well-appointed rooms, ensuring a relaxing and enjoyable stay for every guest. Whether you're traveling alone, with a partner, or as a group, there is a room to suit your needs. At checkout, which is until 12 p.m., you can take your time to savor a delicious breakfast, catch up on work, or simply relax in the comfort of your room. The hotel's efficient and friendly staff will be on hand to assist you with any requests or queries you may have throughout your stay. Please note that the Premiere Classe Compiegne, Jaux has a child policy in place. While children are welcome, they may not stay free of charge. Extra charges may apply. This ensures that all guests enjoy a peaceful and undisturbed atmosphere during their time at the hotel. Experience the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and affordability at the Premiere Classe Compiegne, Jaux. Unwind in the serene garden and enjoy fun games in the games room at Premiere Classe Compiegne, Jaux. Escape the hustle and bustle of everyday life and indulge in a tranquil retreat at Premiere Classe Compiegne, Jaux. This charming hotel offers a range of entertainment facilities that are sure to keep guests entertained throughout their stay. Step outside into the lush greenery of the hotel's beautiful garden, where you can relax and unwind amidst the serene surroundings. Take a leisurely stroll, find a cozy spot to read a book, or simply soak up the sunshine while enjoying a refreshing drink. The garden provides the perfect setting to recharge and rejuvenate. For those seeking a bit of friendly competition, the hotel also features a well-equipped games room. Challenge your friends or family to a game of billiards, table tennis, or foosball, and let the laughter and excitement fill the air. The games room offers a fun and engaging space for guests of all ages to bond and create lasting memories. Whether you prefer to bask in nature's beauty or engage in some friendly competition, Premiere Classe Compiegne, Jaux has the perfect entertainment facilities to cater to your needs. Immerse yourself in the tranquility of the garden or unleash your competitive spirit in the games room. The choice is yours. Convenient facilities at Premiere Classe Compiegne, Jaux. Experience a hassle-free stay at Premiere Classe Compiegne, Jaux with its range of convenient facilities. Stay connected with complimentary Wi-Fi available in all rooms and public areas, allowing you to easily stay in touch with loved ones or catch up on work. The hotel also offers express check-in/checkout services, ensuring a seamless arrival and departure process for guests on the go. For those in need of a quick snack or refreshment, a vending machine is conveniently located on site, providing a variety of options to satisfy your cravings. Additionally, the hotel's daily housekeeping service ensures that your room is always clean and tidy, allowing you to relax and unwind after a long day of exploring Jaux. With these convenient facilities, Premiere Classe Compiegne, Jaux offers a comfortable and hassle-free stay for all guests. Convenient and complimentary car park at Premiere Classe Compiegne, Jaux. At Premiere Classe Compiegne, Jaux, we understand the importance of hassle-free travel, which is why we offer a convenient and complimentary car park on site.